I had a noise problem on my mic. I made these changes and it was gone. So I'll share it with you. First, I clicked on the start button here. I come to this screen. I keyed in sound, and up comes my sound program. I clicked on it, and I get this screen. That's fine. My mic is the default. It's Korean. Mic. You go to sounds. This is fine. Play Windows startup sound. No sounds for the sound scheme. And my communication was fine. Mute all other sounds. I go back to the start key and start button, and I key in Realtek HD Audio Manager. There's my guy. I clicked on him. I get this screen. I configure these tabs. These ones here. Now the first one, my speaker configuration stereo is set at default. Sound effects are none. That is set as the default. And loudness equalization I selected. Room correction, these are my settings. Default format, 24 bits, 48,000 hertz. Digital output, sound effects, none. And then mic noise suppression. Select this guy, very important. Set it as the default. And don't hit this guy or your mic's going to go off. If you do, don't fear, it's a toggle key. Hit it again, the mic comes back on. And here's your default format. 16 bits, 44,100 hertz. Set this as the default. Go to digital input. And there's my digital audio input tab. And those are the settings. Here's the default format settings. Now I click on this button, Realtime S/PDIF in monitor. General tab. That's fine. Listen. That's fine, just as it is. Levels. Levels are at 100. Advanced. I chose both of these guys. Allow application to take exclusive control of the device. Give explicit mode applications priority. That's fine. And then OK. These are the digital input settings. And the last screen settings are as follows. And that ended my noise problem. This is George Bull. Please share and rate this video, and good luck.